This is the Supreme Court observation in the Nupur Sharma case. Now, remember, she'd gone to the Supreme Court demanding that FIRs registered against her across the country should be clubbed and transferred to the national capital. And today's observations, of course, talking about how the AG refused permission for contempt action against ex-judge Dhingra and senior advocate Aman Lekhi. Now, remember, criticizing the observations that were made back then, a letter was written by 77 former bureaucrats as well. But let's quickly bring in Harish into the conversation to take us through today's observations. Harish.
Yes, that's right. The Attorney General KK Venugopal has declined consent to a Supreme Court lawyer, Jaya Sukin, who wanted to initiate criminal contempt of court against former Delhi High Court Judge Dhingra and also senior advocates Aman Lekhi and K. Kumar. Criticism of Supreme Court judges Justice Suryakant and J.V. Pardiwala for their comments against Nupur Sharma. Attorney General said in a note in response to lawyers' plea that it may be noted that Supreme Court in large number of judges has held that fair and reasonable criticism of judicial proceedings would not constitute contempt of court. I am satisfied that the criticism made by the three persons named in your letter is with malice, or it's an attempt to impair the administration of justice, or that it was a deliberate and motivated attempt to bring down the image of the judiciary. Remember, Justice had in fact criticized the Supreme Court's comment on Nupur Sharma. The Supreme Court has in fact Nupur Sharma is a single person who was responsible for the situation in the country, including the Udaipur beheading of a Hindu youth. So they had said that they had in fact questioned how the Supreme Court should draw such a conclusion and pronounce her guilty even without a hearing, and therefore they had said that they just should withdraw these remarks. So after that, the Supreme Court lawyer had sought contempt of court against Justice Dhingra and senior advocate Aman Lekhi. But now the AG has said that these comments does not amount to criminal contempt of court, and has refused permission to initiate contempt of court against them.
Oh yes, absolutely. The AG there saying that the fair and reasonable criticism of judicial proceedings would not constitute contempt of court. Harish, thank you for joining us with those details.